Firstly, it's terrifying because halfway through the shot, it just hits you that, oh my god, that's Amitabh Bachchan you're standing in front of, and you're like, oh, this is just not good. It's scary because you don't want to disrespect him as an artist by not knowing your work or not being able to, keep your end of the bargain, because he brings it all to the table. He's totally prepared, and when he's doing a shot, a lot of the times you're just watching him, and you're amazed at how this man actually does it. As a son, it's brilliant because I get to wake up every morning, go to work with dad, hang out with him all day, and have a lot of fun. He's immensely cooperative, very helpful, and a lot of fun to be on the sets with. I'm the kind of actor who knows nothing on the set. I'm the kind of actor who relies totally on my dad. And I played the son to the hilt. I said, Dad, please help me out. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Just please carry me on your shoulders. Everything. Whatever I am today is because of my dad. The first film actually that we shot for was Sarkar. We had a test shoot in September last year. We were just testing some of the stuff, so I had to do a small scene with him. Luckily, I had no dialogue, so I was just standing quietly in the background. शाद ने कहा था कि ये 23-24 साल का लड़का है. I said, देखिए भैया मैं 29 साल का हूँ. How do you want me to play such a young character? So first they made me lose weight, and he's very energetic and very punful, very bubbly. So it was tough to keep that energy level going. मैं डैड और रानी को हमारी इंडस्ट्री के सबसे बेहतरीन एक्टरों में गिनता हूँ, and just to be in a film with them and not only act but just be on the sets with them is great. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, खास करके डैड के साथ और रानी के साथ भी अभी. So it's just wonderful to be with them. They're just great people to work with. हर एक्टर यही चाहता है कि उन्हें कुछ अलग मिले हर फिल्म के साथ किरदार निभाने में, और अलग तरह के किरदार मिले, अलग तरह के फिल्में मिले, ताकि it keeps them interested. I don't think any actor यही चाहेंगे कि हर फिल्म के साथ वो वही काम करें, गिटार लेके टूट पड़े कहीं. I think they would like to do different things. That's what we try and do. It's not only me. I think every actor does it.